Hello everyone. Today we're going to go through how to recover data or restore data from a hybrid backup. Just as a little recap, I have both a NAS device set up here and a cloud storage device that I've already set up. I backed up to and set up a backup job to, and now I'm going to go to the restore tab of the software within Nova Backup. And this is going to be all under the local storage tab right now, or drop down. It's going to show my hybrid backup job here, and what it's going to do is it's going to show me all of the data that I backed up at that point in time. So that, if I have multiple backups here, it's going to show me what I've backed up right then and there for that, including all the past backups. So I can drill down into that if I wanted to. It's going to show me a bunch of folders and files and that type of thing. And I can choose whatever I want to back up or restore here. And I'll just restore it to an alternate location. In this case, I'm just going to go to the desktop, make a new folder called restore, and I'm going to click restore. And it's going to be very, very quick because it's actually coming, in this case, from the local NAS device. So this is all the files that it recovered. What I'll do now also, just to kind of show you if for some reason that NAS device or local storage isn't available, is I'm actually going to delete the backup that is there. So this is like, for some reason someone formatted it or it's gone, what have you. The backups are no longer there. Now if I choose to do a restore, it will say, oh, hey, I can see the local device, it's not there, so let's go to the cloud to actually recover that data. And you can see it automatically recovered that data from the cloud, so it knew enough to say, okay, hey, I can't, it's not in the local storage, so I need to go to the cloud, and we should be all set.